Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gadget Trends. In this video, we'll talk about the Android 10 update for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. As we all know, the update was to be released in the mid-June, but the new statement came about the Android 10 update, which will be discussed in this update. Several websites has reported some information which was circulated on the web that Android 10 update for the Zenfone Max Pro M1 will be pushed on June 12. But now the statement failed. Some of the official information about this device has been shared via email to one of the users of this device. That email states that Zenfone Max Pro M1 Android 10 update has been postponed to the mid of the June. Those who are using this device may receive this update in the mid of the June or in the mid of the July. They have mentioned the reason that test results are under checking to meet our expectation, so we are delaying this update for this device. Those who are using this device, please wait for some time until they release officially Android 10 updates for this device. I will update you with the information related to Android 10 update for Max Pro M1. When the official update will be released for this device, I will update you about that. Till then, subscribe to our channel for more updates like this. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.